Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 29th Technique Tuesday. So we are very excited. This week's technique
is making a bow with a fork.
Yeah, so super easy technique, but it's going to be great on all of your pages, cards, all that stuff. It's a great little embellishment and super easy. This is all you need.
That's
Literally.
right.
You need a fork and some ribbon.
That's
So,
it.
ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. What we're going to do is I'm first going to show you how to tie a little bow with our white twine. It is super simple. So if you do not want to cut the string first, you don't have to. I just take a decent amount off to work with it. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that the part that is still attached to the little spool is the part that you're going to start with first. So this is not going to go around anything. So just to show you and so you could see the length on here, I'm going to give it a little bit extra at the end. And what you're going to do is you're basically going to make a figure 8 on the fork. So you're going to start by going over the first 2 prongs, going between the middle, under the second 2, then over the 2 that you just went under, and then pulling it back up so it's like a figure 8. So you're going over the top 2, under the 2, wrapping around, over the top 2, under the 2, and coming back. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your twine, make sure that that end is nice and neat. I'm going to take my scissors and just cut off that end. You can lick it if you want, but I'm not going to do that. And then you're going to go through the middle, underneath all of that sewing, and then you're going to come up back through the top. And then to finish off that bow, you are simply just going to make a small little knot. And then you just slide it off, and you have a perfect bow. It is the simplest technique, and it is super easy to make. You can make tons of them, and they spruce up any project. And what I'm going to do, this one's going to have a long tail. So there you go, you got that little bow. That's how you can do it with our twine. Also, we're going to take our ribbon. So this is our Peacock-Stitched Ribbon that goes with our Gimme Some Sugar. And it's just as easy with a ribbon like this. However, it is a little thicker, so you have to watch a little bit when you're tying, just to make sure that the ribbon doesn't decide to curl on you like that. So once again, you go through the middle to start our figure 8, over, under, again, and the same concept. You're going to go right through the middle here. I'm actually going to give this a little bit less of a tail.
And when you're threading it through the fork, you want to make sure that you're threading it on top of the ribbon so that you can go through the bottom of it.
All right, and we're just going to stick that through. And do you see how I basically know what my tail is going to be? It's just going to be this tiny part. So now I'm going to come through the bottom, back up through the top, and then I'm going to take this part and tie it. And sometimes with these, you can tighten it enough on the fork, but you don't want to make the fork misshaped. So then I'm just going to tighten this. And it's, once again, going to be a very tiny, subtle bow. And then you kind of just have to finagle it a little bit to make it into that cute little bow. There you go. You got that. And then we can cut it. I'm going to do it so it's dovetail. And there you have it. And they're super easy to put on to anything. You just use a glue dot, basically. Or you could use a pop dot. And there you go. You got your tiny little bows. Also, what you could do is, this is going to be a little bit of an experiment for me, but I just thought about it because I'm pretty sure it will work. So you can take how you did it before, but if you continuously figure 8 through, you could have like a really big, fun bow. So I did it 3 times through. I'm going to go under, over, tie that knot. And now you've got the super thick bow. Like that.
think that would work best with the twine.
Yeah, probably. Not with the ribbon, but with the twine. But it gives it some dimension, and it's super cute. And there you have it. And look, you can even go over a bow. There you go. That's how you make your bows with a fork. So every ribbon is a little bit different. This is our cream ribbon. It has a little bit more of a give than the Peacock-Stitched Ribbon does have. So we're going to show you quickly how to make a bow with this one. You'll see how they have a little bit different. So this one's going to have a thicker middle part, and it's still a cute bow. It just might look a little bit crumpled a little bit more. You do have to play with them a little bit. I mean, they're just bows. And if you don't like how it comes out, you pull it off and start over. Super easy. Take 2 seconds to make. So we did that figure 8 going through the middle. And do you see how this one is a little bit, it has more give like the twine does? And then I'm just going to tie that knot. And even if you want to kind of finagle it actually on the fork, you can do that as well. So as you see how I kind of made that, and I could see the bow, I could see it on this side too. So when you pull it off, you see that you've got your perfect little bow. This one I'm gonna just do a little diagonal cut instead of the dovetail. There we go. So there's a bunch of little bows. And if you really want to get fancy, you can use a not plastic one. I don't suggest you walk around with this one, but if you're home, you can use it. This one stays in my bag, so if I ever want to make a bow, it's super easy. But let's show you with the twine first. So, this is crazy. This is a big fork. I've never used a fork like this before. But it is a fork, so you can do it.
Well, I wanted to see what would happen.
Once you get good at this, you'll realize that it's super easy, and it's like your life is amazing. So it works with the twine. It's a little bit more floppy with the twine, but you still got a bow. Got a pretty decent sized bow. And like I said, if you need to pull it out, if you don't double knot it, it's super easy to just pull it out. Gotta find that one. There we go. And then you'll get that knot. And then you can just, if you don't pull it tight, just slip it right out. So super easy to take out. Let's try it with the cream ribbon. See how big this bow can get. Once again, figure eighting it through the bottom, up through the top. And there you go. A little bit bigger and a little bit more to work with. I didn't finagle it on the fork like I should have, but that's fine. Still works. And you can see the knot in the back, so this is always going to be the back of your bow. And then this is the front. There you go. You got a fatter bow. Awesome. Those are our bows. Thank you for watching our 29th Technique Tuesday. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check back with us on Thursday, because Thursday is our Throw It Together Thursday. So we are going to be using our stapler, mini stapler, our fork with our bow, our cricket, and vellum. That's right. So we're going to be making a cute little Easter or spring card, whichever you would like to make with us. And yeah. And you can also use the fork as a dingle hopper if your hair is bad. We have a little bit of a Disney theme going on, if you can't tell. She's crazy. Also, thank you to all of our new subscribers and followers out there. I hope she doesn't scare you away. But yes, we are happy to have you on our adventure.
Thank you very much.
And if you haven't noticed, we got a cool new toy that we're using to record with. Yes. So awesome. If you liked how our video came out this week, please do let us know. We like all of the feedback, and we've got this nifty little light that's keeping us bright right now, and it's kind of blinding us, but see this little thing, it's very, very cool. So we're having fun. Ooh. We're having a lot of fun. We're trying to make these videos better for you guys and better for us too. So all the feedback would be great. Yes. And remember to like our Facebook page and subscribe to us, and we'll be here on Thursday.
Yes, we will. Bye.
I lied. You are going to go through there. Close to my heart. And we are here with our 28th technique.
Actually, it's 29.
We are here with our 29th Technique Tuesday.
Wow.
So we are super excited. We hope you guys are too. And
that's the way it is.
And scene.
And oops.
I'm gonna be blinded by this light.
Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a deuce. Okay.